crazy out here fishing. What's up, guys? Lucifer, Florida caller, doing a little kayak fishing out here in Florida. You never know what you're going to get when you go fishing. It's all type of shit you catch in the water. Look at that big one right there. What's going on? How you doing? You cut off?
This is foolish over here.
Yeah, bro. So you guys are trapped in here. Fishing at its best. Florida caller, baby. Check me out on the yak. What's up? On my kayak? Not at this time. What's up, guys? In South Florida right now. Check this out. It's crazy. We had rain for 2 days. It's been flooded. I guess this guy is trying to move right now, pulling somebody out. Let me get out the way. Damn. It's crazy. What's going on?
Good.
It's crazy.
Hey, I got somebody when it's still a lot of water coming for here to jump.
Florida caller, baby. First seen it here. You do too.
Man, I need that one right there.
No, I like that one right there. It's better. Nice. I thought you was going to give me some waves, man. Have a good one.